my channel. I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for March 7th to March 13th. I'm going to say it's very slow, you guys. Like, it's even worse than the week that's doing right now, but I'm going to share with some deals with you guys, and I'll still, give you some deals, but yeah, a lot of repeaters, nothing that's really popping out at me, but you never know what we can find when I actually shop at the store. So as you guys see the deals of the week, they got the Scott's tissue, bath tissue, toilet paper stuff. Those are all buy one get one 50% off at $5. So you guys would pay $7.50 for two of them. So if you guys need to go ahead and do that stuff, all $1.88 with a $1 off digital coupon. Then we're getting General Mills cereal for $1.88. We are getting a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, plus there's some inserts that we just got this past Sunday. So you guys would pay $2.76 or get each box for $1.38. I'll probably get some because I actually do like the General Mills cereal a little bit more. Here we got some Walgreens cash where if you buy 3 of the participating products, you get $5. I'm not going to figure out anything until probably Sunday. There's another deal on another page, so I'll try to mix and match and try to share with you guys as many deals as I can, but we're just going to keep on shopping. Here we got Oreos, Ritz crackers, 2 for $5, which is actually a pretty good deal for $2.50. Here we got soda right here. I told you guys if you got it this week, it's cheaper. Crest toothpaste is $3. It looks like it says Oral-B dental care, so I'm assuming toothbrushes and mouthwash are included. So you guys could actually buy 3 products at $3 and use 3 mix and match of the $2 coupons that we got from our inserts from the P&G. You guys would end up paying $3, but then you'll get a $3 register reward, making them free. So if you guys need to mix and match, definitely go ahead and do that. I'm not sure what digitals we will have, but it says there's going to be a $2 off digital, but we'll see. Some food deals, nothing really popping out at me. If you guys need some filler items, Arizona is 69 cents. So there's that for you. Then we're just going to move on to more food deals. Chips, Cheetos, 2 for $6, which is an okay price. Trident gum. Now here they have, I don't know if you guys can see it, but here they got Reese's Easter chocolate. It's $2.49, and then it says $1 off of 2 online coupons. So you guys will buy 2 of them, and you use that $1 off of 2 coupon. You guys would end up getting them for like 49 cents or something like that, basically, or not 49 cents, like $3.98 or something like that. So basically $2 a piece. We got Snickers for 88 cents. We do have a deal on Ibotta for 50 cents off of 2. So you guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $1.76. I'm not sure if those printable coupons that we have anymore are valid. I didn't look, but you guys can use that 50 cent off of 2 Ibotta deal. Get them for $1.26 or 63 cents a piece. Ajax Suavitel $1.49 after coupon. Persil $2.99. Snuggle, I think these are the bigger bottles, for $4.99. So if you guys need any of that stuff. M&M's, there was some printable M&M bags, but they're for the message only ones. I'm not sure if Walgreens carries the message ones, but we will see. And then Whitman and Russell Stover does have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Then here's just some like random stuff. They are doing the gift card deal, but I can't see what the minimums are, but you only get a $5 gift card. They used to do 10, but there are people that were buying hundreds of dollars of gift cards, so that's why now they're doing $5 instead of the 10, just because of people overusing it. So nothing wrong with it, but it's just, that's the reason why it's now $5. Here we got some lotions and all that stuff. Like I said, I'm going to share with you guys a little bit more stuff as, Sunday happens. But here we got L'Oreal Elvive. Now, I'm not sure what coupons we are getting because the preview that I just didn't specify what L'Oreal coupons we are getting. But let's just say if we do get the L'Oreal coupons and there's a 4 off of 2 coupon, you guys would end up paying $3.98, or it'd be $3.98 for 2 of them. But then there is a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will end up getting them for $2.98 or $1.49. So up to you. Whole blends, here's a good deal. They're 2 for $8. We're getting a 4 off of 2 coupon, or you guys already got some. I know there's a digital coupon for sure. And then there is a $1 off Walgreens coupon times 2. So you guys will get each bottle for $1. Great price. That's what we usually like to pay. More than cheaper, but there's that. And then they got Bic razors, you guys. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off with a $3 off digital coupon. We are getting insert coupons too. And there's going to be a 2 off of 2 cash rewards. And then here's some secret deodorant. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We have $2 off digital coupons. I'm not sure what we have for insert coupons. And then you get a $3 cash rewards when you buy 2 of them. And then the Dove deodorant is buy one, get one 50% off. And you get a $4 register reward when you buy 4 of them. So, yeah. And then Venus, $7.99 with a $4 off register reward. So, hard to say what is pretty decent deals. But here they have more of those buy 3 items. You get a $5 register reward, so I'll try to figure out some kind of scenario. I do know this gum restore right here has a $3 rebate with Ibotta, so we can see what we can get for that. I think it's on sale for like $7.99 or $6.99. So yes, now we're just gonna move on to all the medicines. Nothing's really popping out at me for any of this stuff, so it's up to you guys when you need all that thing, and that's pretty much it. There's not much going on. It's only 20 pages, which is hardly anything, but I just wanted to share with you guys some deals so you guys can figure out ahead. I'm going to try to share with you guys a lot more stuff than what was shown, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later.